Johnny Snow in the building, and I have another unboxing for you. All right, I've had a lot of people come up and ask me, have you tried out Caniks? What do you think about Caniks? And I have to admit, I didn't have one. So it's like, all right, let me go see what these Caniks are all about. And while I was searching, I found out they had a SnowMan Edition. They got the Snow Canik. So I'm like, okay, I got to get one. I have to get one. So boom, here we go. We getting ready to open this box up. But before I open this box up, I gotta show y'all a couple of my other 9mm because I have a lot of 9mm. This is my IWI Enhanced right here. I love this. They call it the Baby Eagle. This right here is my Tangfolio Defiant Stockmaster. Tangfolio Defiant Stockmaster, 9mm as well. And right here we got my Masterpiece Arms MPA 30 DMG, or I call it my Mag 10. Yeah, and there's 9mm as well. Take Glock mags, you know what I'm saying? So I got a few 9s. As a matter of fact, this isn't even all of the 9mm that I have, but yeah, we just stopped there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and open this box up, and in the comment, let me know, out of these, which one you think is the best. Let me know. All right, here go the Canik. We opening this box up, and boom, we got the cleaning kit. We got the back strap. We have the plates for a red dot. Matter of fact, I think I got an old red dot. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me look at my toolbox right quick. All right, yeah, I do have a red dot sitting around, a little old red dot that I have sitting around. So yeah, we'll see what this thing working with. I forgot where I got this thing from. Matter of fact, I think it was sent to me for free. So never did use it. It's still brand new. We might try that thing out on here. It might be another video. But we have the back plates. And let's see what we have in here. We got all the manuals, certificate of authenticity. I guess, let's see, I got 50, 34. All right, she 50, 34. All right, here we go with the piece. We have trigger lock. We have toolkit. We have magazine and a loader. All right, cool. And let's see. Oh, that's cool. I just noticed that we got a space for the sight up here. You put your sight on there. And they give you a little holster. It's all right, little holster. And here she go. The Canik TP9sfx SnowMan Edition Signature Series. This is number, let's see, we get that in focus, 5034 or 7500. And oh yeah, I like this. Now I'm gonna have to go get me another Canik because I'm not gonna shoot this guy. I'm not gonna shoot this one. I get another one just because, so I can actually go shoot it. But I think I'm gonna leave this thing in the safe. I like this. Hold on, let me put this other magazine in here. All right. Yeah, that's what she's looking like. Let me take some of this stuff off. Take that off. Take that off and take that on. Okay. She is nice. There you go. See, brand new. Never been fired. I like this guy. And I wish I could see how it shoots because I'm not gonna shoot this. I'm gonna keep this. And maybe 10, 15, 20 years from now, might put it on the market or something. I don't know. Yeah, you might see me shooting this thing in the next video. I don't know. I don't know, man. Let's see. Here's the sight. So, yeah, we'll take that little pick mount off and get one of them plates and get it on there. And, you know, just from holding it, though, it does feel good in the hand. I like the thickness of the mag release. Slide release feels good. Everything feels good. I don't know why I'm showing you guys with my left hand. All right, because I am not a lefty. But yeah, this is awesome. It has a chamber indicator in the back, and she is clear. She is clear. So boom, you know, that lets you know you're not at the ready. You are not at the ready. There we go. All right. So, of course, I'm not going to leave this gun like this. Got a couple of things I'm going to do to it. I'm going to go ahead and put the red dot on it and may do something with that strap. I don't know. I've been doing a little bit of research on these, so this may change a little bit, but like I said, I think I might want to hold on to this. You know, y'all hit me in the comments. Let me know. Should I go ahead and shoot it? Should I go ahead and shoot this thing? Or should I just, you know, put it up, see what it's worth in about 10, 15, 20 years? You know, let me know. Let me know in the comments. But let me say this. Did not know they had a SnowMan Edition. So there go the Snow Canik. Yeah, and I must say, I like this one. I like this one. Yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications, and I got to let you know, check me and Santi TV out on Wednesdays and Thursdays at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. You know, Wednesdays we on Santi channel, Thursdays we on my channel. Check us out. It's called Chop It Up. You know, so Johnny Snow up out of here.